Sometimes when you're doing word problems, they require more than one step. 2 classes of 27 students each are visiting the zoo. The cost is $4 per student. How much will the trip cost for all the students to go? Circle all of the numbers that I see in the problem. 2, 27, and 4. How many students are actually going on the trip? There are 2 classes of 27. We first multiply 2 times 27, which gives us 54. At $4 per student, $216. Sandra has 3 rolls with 2 meters of ribbon on each roll. She has another roll with 11 meters of ribbon on it. How many total meters of ribbon does Sandra have? I see a 3 and an 11. I also see a 2. It's hiding as a word, but it's still a number. First, you'll multiply 3 times 2, and then you'll add your additional 11 for a total of 17 meters of ribbon. Multi-step word problems, follow the steps.